going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here to bring you guys your Monday motivation, just like every single Monday, to get you guys excited, up, ready, and most importantly, motivated to attack another week. So for this week, your Monday motivation is your time is coming. Your time is coming, peeps. That's what I have to tell you guys this week. I'm going to break it down. I'm going to give you guys the points. I'm going to explain how you guys can understand more that your time is coming. And most importantly, I'm going to get you guys excited in the right mood to attack the week. And in today's video, I'm going to explain exactly why. Now, if you're new around here, you might not know, but this channel is built for highly driven people with big goals, big dreams who want to accomplish a lot on this earth. So I do want to tell you, there's good news. Your time is coming. Whoever's watching this video, just know that your time is coming. So when it comes to that kind of thing, one of the first things we need to do is drop that thumbs up. Hit the like button. Look, your time is coming. It's coming soon. But the time to drop the like and hit the like button is right now. So please do that. Please drop a comment. I do appreciate it. I do see all the comments, so that's always important. Furthermore, make sure you guys share these videos with your friends. Get them out to more people. Help more people understand that their time is coming. That soon enough, they're going to be where they want to be. Let them know by sharing this video with them. Lastly, but not least, please do hit the red button if you're new around here. Get us to 2K subscribers. We've got today, tomorrow, and Wednesday to get there. After that, we enter into April, and we need to hit the 2K before we enter April. Now we're very, very, very close, people. Just get us there, hit the red button, and be the person who gets us closer to that 2K mark on YouTube. So people, your time is coming. That is your message for today's Monday Motivation. And the first fact I want to talk about, the very first topic I want to talk about today is social media. Because we're in this age now, we're in this, this pandemic, we're in this lockdown, and just generally the age of social media. So you're going to see a lot of different things on social media. Now you guys are all on different journeys, but you're on some kind of journey. This journey to succeed in something. And what I mean by that is you might be on the way to getting your master's degree. You might be on the way to finishing high school. Some of you out there who want to become musicians, entertainers. Some of you out there who want to become YouTubers with 1 million subscribers. You might be on the way to becoming a professional athlete. Some of you guys out there who just want to make a lot of money and become financially free. Some of you out there who just want to get to the next step along your journey of your weight loss. Some of you guys out there might be trying to lose a few pounds. Some of you guys out there might be trying to get a better job, get a raise, maybe become a manager, get promoted. All of you guys out there are on some kind of journey. There are so many different things out there, so many different paths that people are taking. But in this day and age, we have the social media in front of us. So when people are succeeding and more time achieving what we want to achieve, we see it right in front of our faces. You'll see a lot of people reaching certain achievements, whether it's fake, whether it's luck, whether it's hard work, you'll see people's achievements. You'll see what they've done. You'll see them winning. You'll see them, often being in the places where you want to be. Now, one thing you need to remember is this age we're in is really a social media age. And with us all in quarantine, lockdown, in a pandemic, it makes us be on our phones a little bit more. So we see more of these things. And why am I talking about this? Well, it's difficult sometimes to see those kind of people winning and succeeding and accomplishing what you want to accomplish and thinking, oh man, I wish that was me. Oh man, why haven't I done that? Oh, I really wanted to achieve that. It's so unfair. This and that. You get these kind of thoughts. It's natural. But this is why I tell you, your time is coming. You don't know what they did. You don't know how long they did it for. You don't know the many nights they had to wake up at, I don't know what time. You don't know what many nights they had to sleep super late. Now let's talk about patience. Patience is a virtue. We all know this. And on these journeys, when we're trying to achieve things, it's not always easy to be patient. Human nature, naturally, we want to have everything now. I want to make 500K this year. Well, I want to make it now. I want to have it now. I want to achieve this. I want to achieve that. I want it now. We all want our results quicker, we want our results faster, we want them to happen now, as soon as possible. But sometimes you just got to be patient. You got to sit back and be like, you know what? If it takes me 6 months, it takes me 6 months. It doesn't mean you slow down, you don't push for your goals, but you got to be patient. Let things happen as they will happen. It will make your journey a lot easier, less stress-free, and it'll make you understand the actual fact that your time is coming. Patience is key. You might want to get somewhere and you just started today. Well, then you obviously know patience is an important factor. But what I'm talking about here when it comes to patience is it doesn't matter who you are out there. It doesn't matter, again, what journey you're on. You have to learn to be patient. If you can't be patient along your journey, you're going to start rushing. You're going to start wanting results faster, sooner, which is also natural. But you need to be patient. I'm going to tell you that. We're all going through it. You'll go through that journey that, those grueling times, those testing times, overcoming those obstacles, getting really uncomfortable and trying to move ourselves forward. Guess what, people? Without being patient and understanding your turn will come, you're not doing yourself any favors. Now, gratitude. Gratitude, people. This kind of rolls off my previous point. And gratitude is just understanding that you need to be thankful for where you are right now. Compare where you are now to where you were 3 months ago, 6 months ago, a year ago. Are you in a better situation? I'm guaranteed that most of you out there are probably in a better off situation. And that is what you've got to be grateful for. You know, January 1st, I could say, hey, by March 31st, you would have accomplished these things. I'll be looking and I'll be excited. I'm sure many of you guys out there as well. But then we get to, now, and we're like, you know what, I want to have done this. I'm annoyed I haven't done that. I haven't completed this. I have not accomplished that yet. Look, be grateful. It's easy to always want the next thing and the next thing and the next thing and forget about what you've done already. If you're trying to lose weight, you're on a weight loss journey. Maybe you lost 2 pounds 3 weeks ago. Then 2 weeks ago, you lost 4 pounds. The following week, you lost 5 pounds. Then this week, you only lost 3 pounds. You're like, what? Oh man, I should have done this. I should have done that. Why hasn't this happened? Why isn't... People, be grateful for how far you've come. You're not the same way you were 4 weeks ago, 5 weeks ago. You've lost weight. You've done well. The same can be related to so many different things. If you're used to getting D's and E's and failing your classes, and you start getting C's and B's, you're like, okay, but then you get those C's and B's, and after a while you're like, yeah, I want A's. Why am I not getting A's? It's like, all right, it's good that you're pushing, but be grateful for how far you've come. 3 months ago you were still failing all classes. Now you're getting B's. You've changed it around. You turn it around. Be grateful for that. The same can be said about my 0 to 100k challenge. I know this. I feel this. In December, I had less than 6k in my account. By January, when January came around, I was hitting 5k days, 7k days, 8k days. And then February came around last month and I'm like, okay, I need to be hitting 10k days consistently, 15k days consistently. But then I'm like, when it doesn't happen, I'm like, oh no, this and that, why hasn't this happened? Sometimes I need to take a step back and say to myself, actually, hold on. In December, you didn't even have 10k in your whole account. Now you're worried because you're not getting 10k in a day. You built up a portfolio for a few years and you didn't make, you didn't even get close to 6k. Now you're worried and you're angry because you didn't get a 6k day. Let's slow down, people. Let's be grateful for how far we've come. We're better off now than we were before. And for that, we need to show gratitude. But it's being grateful for where you are. It's very easy in this day and age. Again, social media comes into it to get caught up in chasing the next thing, getting the next goal. You lose 3 pounds in a week. You want to lose 5 pounds in a week. You lose 5 pounds a week. You want to lose 7 pounds a week. And it's like every single step is never good enough. Same for you guys out there who do anything, honestly. Maybe you try and make money online. You make money online, on eBay, on Amazon, I don't know, wherever. You make $1,000 in a week. You're like, okay, I want to make more than that. You end up making $1,000 in a day. You end up making more than that. I want to make more. I want to make more. You always want the next thing. You guys understand exactly what I'm saying. And again, I've chosen a few specific examples, but this goes into everything, every aspect of your life, every area of your guys' life. It goes for your 9 to 5. It goes for your part-time job. It goes for your internship. It goes for your studies. It goes for your master's degree. It goes for so many different things. Think back to where you were previously. It's easy to always want the next thing, but sometimes we just have to be grateful for where we are, how far we've come, what we've achieved so far. So make sure you guys show gratitude and know that, again, your time is coming. For my last point, it is trusting the process. And this can kind of roll in all the previous factors I've talked about today. Being grateful, showing gratitude, trusting the process involves patience as well as persistence and consistency. Trusting the process understands that other people have achieved things, they're showing it to you on social media, they're waving it in your face, but your time is coming. Your path may be different to theirs, but your results will also come soon. You need to understand that. And that comes again by trusting the process, which I know is not easy, peeps. As humans, we want to achieve things, but we don't always want to go through the difficult days. Have to survive. We don't want to do that. More often than not, we want to achieve things and we want it to go our way. So when obstacles arrive, when difficult circumstances come in front of us, we're like, wait, what is this? Why is this happening? I don't want this. Relax. Let's calm down. Trust the process. And again, I can relate this back to my 0 to 100k challenge. Sometimes you're seeing the stock market do horrible things and you're like, what is this? I'm not good at trading. I'm not good at this. Why have I done this? Why have I joined this? Trust what's happening. You come out better. Over the past few months, in my 0 to 100k challenge again, I've learned so much, become a better person, understood more about myself, understand what works for me. I've helped myself and also understood how to help others now. All that comes from trusting the process. If you don't trust it, you're not going to make it. That's it. But your time is coming as long as you do trust it. Trust what's happening around you. Trust, all the different events that may occur and throw you off your path. Trust that you will thrive, it will get better. You just take each day as it comes. And eventually it's all going to turn out all right. But the good thing is, again, your time is coming. And the sooner you realize that, the better off you'll be along the journey. You see, I'm on many different journeys. The journey of YouTube, the journey of growing, my social media following, the journey of making money in the stock market, my 0 to 100k challenge, other journeys outside the YouTube, other journeys outside of what I show you guys, personal life journeys. And with all this going on, there are bound to be bad days. There are bound to be difficult days. This is why I say you need to trust the process. I mean, you know, I'd say I don't really like the process, but trust the journey you're on, because it's going to take a lot out of you and it's no way going to be smooth. If you thought it's going to be smooth, or if it is smooth, then you're on the wrong journey, because it shouldn't be smooth. You know, I know it doesn't sound nice. It's not what you want to hear, but there are going to be very difficult days. You're going to have to enjoy those difficult days, but you're going to come out smiling. It's going to be worth it for you. You'll understand, for those of you who have ever achieved something, you understand exactly what I'm talking about. When you get to the end goal, to find a destination where you wanted to achieve, you do look back and say, you know, this wasn't luck. I earned this. I put in the time, I put in the work, I put in the effort. And that is true. And when it comes to trusting the process and being in the moment, it's a lot more difficult to think, hey, eventually I'll get there and I'm going to look back and say, yes, I made it and I'm glad I did all this. When you're in the moment, it's very tough to think about that. So I'm telling you guys now, don't worry, your time is coming. In those moments, it is like, oh, am I ever going to make it? Am I ever going to get there? But that's why I'm here to tell you, your time is coming. In those moments, those obstacles arise, those difficulties come up, that uncertainty starts to creep in your mind, the doubt starts to appear. Just know your time is coming. Whatever you want to achieve, your time is coming. As long as you stay consistent with it, keep putting in the work, keep making the smart decisions, as long as you stay patient, wait your turn, because your turn and your time will come. As long as you learn to be grateful for what you have already, grateful for what you've achieved, how far you've come. As long as you learn to thrive during those times. Everyone takes those difficult times differently, but the main thing is that you make it through and stay with that long-term vision. Stay thinking about what's going to happen down the line, 3 months down the line, 6 months down the line. And you know, for me, again, I've related back to my 0 to 100K challenge. Right now, I'm not close to 100K, but much further along the line than I was 3 months ago. I'm a lot more comfortable now doing certain things because of the experiences. I know that by the end of the year, I would have hit this and I'm going to feel amazing. I know that. And even if it doesn't happen, let's say theoretically it doesn't happen, well, I'm going to be better off than I am now. And that's what's also important. We continue to prove, we continue to improve, we continue to move forward. So again, your time is coming. Be patient, exert all the different factors I talked about in today's video. Be consistent, stay calm, learn to thrive during the storm, learn to trust all this that's going on, learn to trust what's going on around you, learn to ride the waves, all these things I mentioned today. Make sure you guys go out and do that this week. We're into the last 3 days of the quarter. The first 3 months of the year will be gone by Wednesday night. Make sure you guys are on track to achieve your goals for this year. If you're not, it's time to accelerate, people. It's time to really push, but also be calm and understand that your time is coming. Lastly, I want to say, I have dropped a poll. Please check that link in the description. I'm going to post it in the comment section as well. I've dropped a poll. For my 0 to 100K challenge, I'm going to be adding money to the portfolio in April. I'd like you guys to give me an idea of how much I should drop in there. You know, I've got 5 options there just to steer me, you know, 1,500 to 2,000, up to 5,000, up to 10,000, or up to, you know, over 10,000. If we need to go big, we'll go big. Let me know. Just make sure you guys go and vote on that poll. Also, we've got multiple different links in the description you guys should know by now. We have a Discord where we talk about stocks. We have my stock option starter pack for those of you who are on a journey to becoming a trader. Understand that your time is coming and your time will be here a lot sooner if you jump on and grab that course. So go and do that. Also, we've got Time Gear Watches, my smartwatch company. Again, links are all in the description. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you guys go out there and have a great week. I got into making, you got success to be chasing. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.